go easy with those screws because you don't want anything dropping off. You are unplugged, aren't you?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Get that saddle. Yep.
Give me the square screws.
Get your pliers. Put your pliers in and twist it. Shouldn't be that hard.
And twist.
Yep. Oh, you got it off. Oh, that's good. What's in there?
It's all one box.
The suspense is killing me. What's inside it?
I can't even see myself. It's all wires going into a box.
Is there a plug at the back?
No.
So that box obviously comes apart somehow.
Somehow. See? Wires going there. And wires going under there.
Well, it comes apart somehow. I reckon that side cover's got to come off, Shane, somehow, I reckon.
Force?
Yeah, a bit of force.
Yeah, that.
Hang on, just up a bit, Shane. What's that at the back? The black box at the back.
That's the capacitor, I'd say.
Let's have a look. What's it say? I can't see.
Oh, yeah. Says SK. It looks like it's been getting hot. Bit of heat mark, see?
Just hold it still. Yeah, that's a capacitor. So undo those, the orange and the blue.
Yeah. I need to take a photo of it.
Yeah, no worries, mate. You do what you need to do.
There's oil or something. Ew. There's oil coming out of it.
It's blown.
Blown?
Yeah, that's no good.
Okay.
Nothing should be leaking out of it. Can you drag out the capacitor and just give us a look so I can do my own research? Where is it? Just try and focus the best you can. Pull it away a bit. Stop. I just took a picture of it.
Okay.
All right.
Anything else you want while I'm in here?
No, mate, it'd be the capacitor.